Ashoka, I think, is one of the most exciting experiments underway in Indian higher education. It is building a distinctive Indian brand.
We need to have world-class thinkers in the fields of humanities.
Hallmark of an institution of excellence where the alumni really feel bonded together. And I think very early on in Ashoka, we've achieved this and the alumni have done it.
It does come a little bit from the heart, that you actually see reflections of your own children. You also feel that they will probably finish the unfinished agenda. So I think you almost look at them as your successor.
I think what it did for me was just exposed me to an entire sort of new way of thinking, multiple ways of thinking, I should say, not just one single solitary way.
Definitely would send my kids to the Young India Fellowship 15 years down the line. Would you?
For sure, I would send all of my children to the Young India Fellowship.
If I could afford them, yeah.
On a full scholarship.
Yeah.
I would definitely recommend the fellowship for people who are especially sure about exactly what they want to do, because the fellowship will redefine that for you.
You have great mentors like our founders. Just to have access to those kinds of people is impossible in a country like India.
It's this environment where it feels like as long as all of us are together, anything is possible. No problem is too big to solve and no obstacle is insurmountable.
It is everything to me, and because of YAF, I know what I am.
That it's completely changed everything for me, from what I was before the fellowship to what I am after.
Just coming out of my shell of not being with people at times, and then today being a really social person.
Living with 99 other people in one building. It teaches you immense patience. Today more than ever that's necessary, to be able to listen to people, to be able to talk and not argue to win an argument.
Definitely a journey of self-discovery for me. Just shifts your worldview.
It is everything to me, and because of YAF, I know what I am.
AAA stands for the Ashoka Alumni Association. It's the organization that brings together alumni to keep them connected to each other and with Ashoka. We are 769 experiences that are spread across 20 countries. And although we are all very diverse people, we all speak the same language.
I think it is quite magical, the way that any professional backgrounds or academic background is welcome here and then sort of finds a place for themselves.
Ashoka University for me is...
if I had to describe Ashoka, it would just be a safe space with a curated stream of ideas and inspiration.
Ashoka for me are the people who are a strange mix of eccentric.
Ashoka University for me is home.
Ashoka University symbolizes a place which is all about collaboration, innovation, thinking of big ideas.
And Ashoka for me is a microcosm of a lot of research, of a diverse set of people, and most importantly for me it's family.
Ashoka University to me is most memorable for the most beautiful sunsets that I've ever seen.
Ashoka University is a place where I learned a lot. I got a great number of mentors, a good mentorship and a lot of good friends.